The Eagle and the Farmer. A majestic eagle soared high in the vast blue sky, its wings spread wide as it watched the earth below with sharp eyes. At the edge of a quiet field, a poor farmer sat with his head down, wearing dusty clothes, lost in sorrow. Gently the eagle descended, holding a glowing golden seed in its beak. With grace, the eagle placed the seed into the farmer's rough hands, and a warm light began to shine all around. The farmer looked at the seed with wonder and hope, a new spark of determination lighting up his face. With hard work, he dug the earth and planted the seed with care, sweat shining on his forehead. A tiny sprout rose from the soil, and tears of joy glimmered in the farmer's eyes. A beautiful golden tree grew tall, bearing shimmering fruits that drew amazed visitors from far and wide. The farmer began selling the golden fruits in the village market. His clothes had changed, and his face now glowed with happiness. That poor farmer had now become a wealthy landowner, helping others, standing proudly beside the golden tree.